Hello, Isa here again. For today, let me teach you how to introduce yourself in Japanese. For example, Domo konnichiwa, hajimemashite, Isa desu, J-pop ga daisuki desu, yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Now, let's break it down in English and in Tagalog. Domo konnichiwa, this could mean good afternoon, good day, hello, or magandang hapon in Tagalog. Hajimemashite, nice to meet you, or ikinagagalak kitang makilala in Tagalog. Isa desu, in this case, your name plus the word desu. In my case, for Tagalog, ako si Isa. Something about myself, J-pop ga daisuki desu. I love J-pop, mahal ko ang J-pop. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Please treat me well. I look forward to working with you. We don't have any direct translation for this in Tagalog, but this could mean, sana'y maging mabuti ka sa akin o ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Isa deshita, matarai shune!